Good to go?
Yeah.
Yeah. Video's cutting in and out. That's so strange.
We have obviously no Wi-Fi interference. I've got that on airplane mode.
Yeah, it's lagging really bad. That's alright. I can see it for days. I'm going to pull it a little bit more to the right. I want to do a serious drop away here. Battery at 91. Whoa, dude, this is killer. Yeah, she's a big bird. Slow climb up. 125 feet high, still going. About 1,500 feet out, still going. 89% battery. Which is a beauty on the horizon here. Funny enough, the further I get away, the better the video feed gets.
I wonder if it's...
Can you still see it? I can easily
Yeah,
see it.
yeah. Let's start bringing it back just so I know the battery limitations. Have a look at that battery.
Gotcha. Yeah, I pay attention. Like I said, man, I'm driving this just like I would the Solo. So it's at 87, but I have perfect signal transmission. That was 2,500 feet out. You can easily still see it.
All right, and this has never been
there goes the video.
Tested.
Oh, this battery?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. It's doing pretty good. It's at 85. Now, if it starts to draw, I'll just land on the road. All right, let's do this. You ready?
Alright, Dan, we're burning up some packs on the Inspire 1 because basically I did get new batteries. They got a 2015 date on them. But for our purposes, they're new and we're breaking them in.
Right. Yeah, we're having a lot of weird interference with this thing today.
And it was beeping and giving me a red button beep on the left side of the controller, if that means anything to anybody. And it went away.
Yeah. How long was this one charged for, sitting?
I recharged them all last night.
Okay. So dang, this one started at 84?
Yeah, I want to. If it's over 75%, it won't let you recharge it.
Gotcha. Okay.
Because yeah, I can't see it.
Wouldn't that be cool if it had dynamic zooming, where you could just lock on an object and as it got further away, it tried to do the zooming for you? That should be a feature they need to offer if they haven't figured that out yet.
That would be intense.
Right? That would make like watching a specific NASCAR or something like that a lot easier.
Well, it looks like a dot in this friggin' screen. And that's literally, what, 2 feet away from us?
Yeah.
This is where we are. Yeah. See, Dan's right there.
Hey.
And I'm right here.
Dan's about to hammer this battery and see what he can handle. You ready?
You want to put it on A mode since it doesn't have sport mode?
Have you ever done a hammer test on it?
Go ahead.
Pull and pull.
That'll tell you what the battery's worth.
Yeah, that's a hard hammer test. Yeah.
We go.
Ready to go?
We on.
Alright. Wish me luck here, guys. First time flying on this tune. Check the GoPro.
Holy cow. She's to your right. Coming back at us, going off following that guy. Well, this wind isn't bothering it at all.
No, she cuts her like butter.
Now, is that because of the three props, you think?
Yeah.
Three-bladed props?
Yep.
Wow. Nice. Is that, what do you call it, acrobatic tumble?
Yeah, that's actually just a barrel roll. Dude, it is beautiful flying out here. Do a low pass, low line. You ready? Yeah.
And a barrel roll drop. I hope this GoPro's getting it. Well, that bounce don't bother it at all, huh?
Nope, not at all. Wow. And that was the easy battery.
Which one is this now?
The Efight 210.
I love how, like, you're looking like nowhere near it, but it don't matter.
Yeah.
File repaired. What the hell file was I talking about? I don't know. You know, you would think that that Hero 4 would be a...
Pardon?
Yeah.
Kind of is. I mean, you can tell it's heavy, you know.
Dan's got the Mavic 2 Pro, and the obstacle sensors, even though it's up in the air in the middle of nowhere, as you can see,
it range capped me and stopped me. Like hit a geofence. I can't push forward anymore. She refuses to go. Oh, now she's moving again. Weird.
the old Polar Pro sun shield with, I don't know who made those reflectors. They're cheap. Best Buy $20 reflectors.
Yeah. Yes.
Now, which one would you say was louder in the air? The Inspire or this one?
When that's hitting the brakes, definitely the Inspire. When this one's just flying normal, probably this one.
I know, I didn't bring those master air screw props. I should have.
Oh, goddamn, I hate obstacle avoidance. None of my drones have obstacle avoidance, people. For this reason right here, I want to get close to my face and I can't. Hey, pal. What's your deal? Friggin' jerk off. Alright, walk up on it again. Let's see what we can do here.
It shouldn't be using the, yeah. Once you get out of that GPS lock,
Yeah.
it'll let you do what you want. But you still can't fly like the Inspire.
Still see the river, man. I had this truck off.
He likes the Mavic 2 Pro for its agility, but in A mode, he liked the Inspire for control. Like point of interest control.
Right.
So we'll help those dudes out, huh?
Yeah.
They're just doing a fly-by-night film.
Switch to expert mode.
How was that model?
Yeah, cute. It was a little cutie. No two ways around it.
I was too busy talking red weapons and hanging an MX from it.
It's probably gonna tell me I need to buy